I'm about to show you how people are making $10,000 a month without employees, warehouses, or shipping. But first, be honest. Are you the person who builds things or the person who watches others build? Because right now, there are only two types of people. Type A, using AI to create digital products and earning money even while they sleep. Type B, watching from the sidelines saying, maybe someday. And the gap between them, it's exploding every single day. People say digital products are too saturated, but they forget one thing. AI didn't close the opportunity, it blew it wide open. Before AI, creating a product took months. Editing, design, writing funnels, almost a year before making $1. Today, ChatGPT writes your ebook in minutes. Midjourney designs your branding instantly. HeyGen turns a script into a full video. 11 Labs gives you studio-quality voiceover. Zapier runs your business on autopilot. What used to take 1 year now takes 1 week. And the math? Physical product, inventory cost, shipping cost, small profit, digital product, zero inventory, zero shipping, almost full profit on every sale. A physical product caps out. A digital product scales globally. Singapore, Dubai, London, Sao Paulo. Sales while you sleep. That's not a hustle, that's leverage. But listen carefully. This opportunity window won't stay open forever. AI is moving insanely fast. In 6 months, everyone will be using these tools. In a year, the market will be crowded. Those who start now won't be competing with beginners. They'll be ahead of them. Just like early YouTubers in 2010. Just like early TikTok creators in 2019. They didn't work more, they moved faster. Now it's your turn, and no, this isn't for everyone. Not for people who want money with zero effort. Not for people scared to learn new tools. It's for people willing to invest 2 to 3 weeks learning AI to build a system that earns for the next 5 years. So here are your 2 paths. Option A, stay the same, safe, predictable, limited. Option B, learn 3 AI tools this week, create your digital product next week, start earning your first sales next month. One leads to growth, the other leads to regret. So here's your next step. Comment digital if you're ready to build. Like the video. And subscribe to One Life Mastery on YouTube, because next week I'm dropping a full AI digital product blueprint. Then go to my blog post on onelifemastery.com. I'm sharing 5 digital products you can build in a week and start making money with AI. Your future self is watching right now. Make the decision they'll thank you for. Let's build.